Are you ready to secure your home or your business? What I'm going to show you today is an indoor camera, a 2K, 4 megapixel, and it's 2.4 and 5 gigahertz network. No matter what kind of router you have, it will connect the dual band or 2.4 or 5 gigahertz. Supports up to 256 gigabytes. And the nice thing with this, we can pair this right with the NVR. So if you have an NVR, it's perfect. You can do that in wireless. Oh, we can do hot wire as well too. I'm going to show you how this thing works right now. So how we doing, everyone? I'm Dario, and this is Mediaboxent. Well, always we bring you the latest technology, and today, security camera. It will rotate 360 degrees. Pan is 50 degrees. Memory-wise, you're going to install the memory here up to 256 gigabytes. Now, if you're going to connect this with an NVR, I think you don't have to, because the NVR is going to record 24 hours a day, if that's when you set it up. And it's two-way audio, means it has a speaker, and we can listen as well too. It comes with the bracket, so you can mount it around the ceiling. In this case, I have mounted, I bring it down just to make this video. Power, and the 345 for Ethernet connection. Now, the next thing with this, we can connect this again on Wi-Fi, 2.45 gigahertz. Why I say that? Because many of the cameras are only 2.4. This one allows you to do dual band. So no matter what kind of setup you have at home, it's going to always work. Now, if you're going to go hot wire, you can connect the hot wire. And if you have an NVR, that's one exactly I'm using right now too, you can connect it straight to the NVR. So now the camera will record 24 hours a day if that's what exactly you're looking for. You will see together with all your cameras, you're going to see this one too, either hot wire or Wi-Fi. Now the configuration is super easy, and also the camera has a voice prompt. It will let you know every step. Now right now we have a live feed, 2K. I can, bring this up and down, rotate left and right. The nice thing with this, when I connect it to an NVR, that will be part of my NVR system. Now I also have an alarm. I'm just show you the alarm as an example. The nice thing too, we can pre-record a message into the alarm. So you have the standard alarm, or you can see some message, hey, by the way, you are in a private property, whatever you want to leave a message, you can do that. Some of the Wi-Fi connection, right now it's connected Wi-Fi. It will be connected high wire, it will show me there. We can set the camera recording, the alarm detection, how you want this to be activated. Maybe you want the alarm during the day when you come from work or whatever, then it automatically gets deactivated with sirens, alert. We can get it through email, or also we can get push notification to the app. The next thing with this, you can configure this way, and then when you're connected to the NVR, you can go beyond that. You can even do more modifications, and you can control everything right here from the app. So if you see now, it's part of my NVR, and right here we can just click and see the camera, and this is through my NVR. See, camera 1, NVR. From here I can control, or I can just go and write in my NVR and make all the necessary changes, or I can just do it from the app. So if you see, it was pretty simple to set up, and definitely the benefits, I think, is be able to use the same camera and connect to an NVR. All right, so now the question is, how I can get one for myself so I can protect my business or my home? Simple. I leave the link right below this video. Also, I will leave the link of the NVR I'm using right now for my home and my business. All right, once again, I'm Dario, and I'll see you next time. Bye.